Okay, in this video we will solve this problem right here, and in the description box there are two playlists. One playlist has categorized limit problems and the other playlist has random uncategorized problems. But let's begin this one. So it's saying the limit as x approaches -2. But the problem is if I plug in a -2 here, I get -2 squared, which is -2 times -2, which is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Likewise, -2 plus 2 is also 0. So I have 0 divided by 0, and that's a big red flag that we have to approach this problem differently. So what I'm going to do is multiply by the conjugate. So I'm going to put the square root of x squared plus 5. Instead of a -3, I'm going to put a plus 3. I'm going to do this for both the denominator and also in the numerator. At this point, we can rewrite the problem. We have the limit as x approaches -2. And in the numerator, we have x plus 2. We also have the square root of x squared plus 5. Outside, there's a plus 3. And in the denominator, we take this piece times this piece. It cancels out the square root. We get x squared plus 5. Likewise, we take our 3, we multiply by this. Take our -3, multiply by this, which cancels out. And then we do -3 times 3, and we get -9. Now I'm going to clean up a little bit. I'm going to get the limit as x approaches -2. In the numerator, I'm going to just straight up copy it. We got x plus 2 times the square root of x squared plus 5. Outside there's a plus 3. And in the bottom, we got x squared plus 5 minus 9. And we can combine 5 and minus 9 and get -4. So we have x squared minus 4. Next, we're going to factor this piece out. And so we get the limit as x approaches -2. Again, the top doesn't change. We got x plus 2 times the square root of x squared plus 5. Outside there's a plus 3. Divided by, we're going to change it to x plus 2 and x minus 2. And we notice we have an x plus 2 here and x plus 2 here, so we can cancel it. At this point, now we can try to plug in -2 to see what we get. And we will get -2 squared is going to be 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So we have the square root of 9 plus 3 on the outside. And -2 minus 2 is -4. And the square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we get 6 divided by -4, which we can simplify to -3 divided by 2. This right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.